Designers and printers and other service providers are always looking for ways to stand out from the crowd. Massive 3D's technology is unique in the marketplace. The ability to just create a wide variety of different kinds of objects using a lot of different kinds of textures and colors and transparency levels, I think just lends itself to just sort of as many sectors as possible. Point of purchase graphics, any other kinds of display graphics, interior displays, signage.
We've identified 3D printing as a major opportunity for the industrial print segment. With the introduction of the Massive 8 machine a few years ago, I'm quite impressed with how you can add value and differentiate yourself as a company through the use of this technology. And my experience is that as printers and print companies get hold of the technology, they identify things that they can do with it the inventors never thought of.
I don't think there are really any true limitations. It just adds a whole new level, and it just sort of really captures the attention. I mean, being able to print something like this in a matter of an hour or 2 hours or something like that, and then decorate it. The real challenge with new technologies like 3D printing is educating customers that it exists, of what the capabilities are. When wide format became a force to be reckoned with in the 2000s, designers and their clients had to rethink how they approached marketing campaigns, and the same is true now with 3D technologies. How do you take that new technology and merge it with the others? And once they figure what's possible and what can be done, then that just unleashes the imagination to just sort of take it in any direction that anybody wants to go.